Yes guys, it's Henny here again, and today we're going to be going through the 6 reasons why you should start investing in the stock market. This is the primary reason a lot of people, of course, consider investing in the stock market. The potential of growing your money is exponential, with all depending on the volatility and the risk you are willing to take. The more volatile, like penny stocks, the riskier it is, and the higher the chances of you growing your money from a couple thousand to 5, 6, and even 7 figures in a short period of time. Of course, using the right strategies in the process. The less volatile, like blue chip stocks such as Apple, Amazon, and Google, the slower the growth of your investment. This is as a result of inflation. Inflation rate of the United States dollars has been between 1 to 4% per year. However, blue chip stocks can get you at least 7% return per annum. Even a certificate of deposit will make you a couple percent depending on the bank you're with. Just as an example, in the year 1990, a gallon of milk will cost you about $1. Right now, a gallon of milk will cost you on average $3. This is the power of inflation. It is historically proven that investors have profited more from stocks than from any other investment options like real estate or any other thing for that matter. I'll say you have a few thousand saved up, and from your wide variety of investment options you have, stocks is definitely the easiest to get started in investing. All you need to get started in the stock market is pop up your computer, get online, you register with an online broker like TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab, you make a deposit, and voila, you start trading right away. Of course, you want to have the right strategies in order for you to start making money. And all this can be done from the comfort of your home or from your bedroom or anywhere in the world. On the other hand, if you want to start investing in real estate, it's going to take much more work, time, and effort. This is one of my favorite because it's like a quarterly paycheck. There are lots of companies like IBM, Six Flags, and General Electric that pay up to 4% in dividends to their investors. This could be a sweet deal for retired folks who have a good chunk of retirement money, but they want to reinvest that money into something, which means they can just live off of dividends for the rest of their lives. Investing in the stock market will teach you a lot about companies, the market, and of course, the economy and how the country is being run. The knowledge I've amassed from the short period of time I've been in the stock market is eye-changing. It has improved my logical analysis and emotions when it comes to money, which has sharpened other areas of my life also. So you can never go wrong investing in the stock market. Anyways, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave the video a like, and if you've got any questions, just leave them down below. And if you're new, consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.